How to promote mobile CPA offers and CPA marketing, which you can make money from home exactly with OfferVault, CPA Grep, CPA Lead, and Max Bounty without any hesitation right here. So even if you don't have the skills, I will show you the best methods that you have never seen before, and you can start making money from your home. So I just want you to just watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly it is working. So the first and important thing is that you need to learn each and everything, and this method and this video right away here. I will just invest a little bit of your time, something like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, or might be 8 or 10 minutes. You just need to keep watching this video. At the end of this video, you will see the result instantly. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. But before starting the method, I would just request you to just check out the first link in the description of this video for full training on making money online, getting passive income, and working from home. If you don't have the skills, if you don't want to invest your time, for example, and you don't want to work hard, then check out the full training and the description of this video for making money online and getting passive income or working from home right away while you sleep, while you are on vacation, whatever you are doing. So you are free to go, and that is a wealth freedom that you will get it right away there. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPA Grep or register with CPA Grep or OfferVault right here. So once you sign up with this website, then you can simply choose the product from here right here. This is the CPA Grep account right here. You can simply choose any product you want. For example, you can simply choose, or if you are using the OfferVault, you just need to go to OfferVault and choose the category. For example, something like, you can simply scroll down and you can simply choose the category, for example the lead or something like that. Okay, so once you just select that, let me just go. Okay, lead generation, and then we can simply choose the country. For example, we can simply choose United States right here, because we are going to show you the topic that is directly related to, means 90% is coming from the United States. So that is a great topic right here. So you can simply see here that these are all the offers which they require email submit, and they are lead generation actually, that you can earn money, this amount of money from them right here. So we can simply promote these offer. The first step is that if you're using the OfferVault, you need to just click on any of these offer right here, and you need to just run this offer. And before running the offer, you need to sign up with that network right here. But in CPA Grep, once you sign up with CPA Grep, you can promote any offer you want. No need to just go individually and sign up for each offer right here. But with OfferVault, you need to individually sign up for any of these type of networks, and then you can simply promote these offers. So once you sign up and you just grab your link, and then you can simply promote the offer right here. So how we can promote it, the best way is that I will just show you two different ways right here that you can simply promote. The first method will be that Snapchat is one of the greatest website around the world, and you can simply use. It is simply a mobile app generator actually that you can simply use, or social media platform as and for mobile actually, that you can simply use, and many people are using for different ways actually, that like TikTok and other things right here. So you can use. The greatness about this website or this app is right here, that 90% the traffic is coming from the United States right here, and many people are using right here on this website, and we can simply target the right audience for us right here, and we can simply promote it right away in front of anyone we want, whether that is in CPM marketing, whether that is affiliate marketing. So we can just simply promote right here. But I will also show you that how we can promote. The greatness about this website or this app is right here, that you can simply just go to Snapchat Business Manager right here, which will you will be redirected to this page right here. For example, grow your business with Snapchat right here. So basically you can just create a campaigns, and then you can target the right audience for you right here. Doesn't matter that you have small company or bigger company, or you have only one link that you can simply promote, it doesn't really matter. As you can simply see here, they clearly tell you that Snapchat ads and public profiles are made for every business, no matter the size or industry. Become a part of the Snapchatters everyday conversations with full screen digital ads that inspire action from the people that matter most of your business right here. You just need to click on the create an ad and you can simply create an ad right here. And the greatness about this app is that you can simply start your campaigns with only $5. So if you have only $5, invest something like $5 a day, and you will be just getting up to thousands of dollars right here on this, because you can really target the United States people right here. And one of the biggest problem on this right is here, for example, the Snapchat is not allowing direct link. That, for example, if you just copy your link from here OfferVault, or you just copy the link from, for example, from this offer right here, you just simply copy that and you just go to OfferVault and you just add it into campaign. It will not work and you will not make money from that. It will definitely just ban you. The greatness about this is that you can simply use email marketing, or you can do email marketing right here. Means you can simply give a free gift or something like that to people, and when they are getting the gift, you need to capture their email right there. When they sign up for that gift right here, you will have the emails, and that through that email you can target them and you can send them again and again different offers, and that way you can make money from that. So that is the greatness about this Snapchat right here that you can simply use. And if you want to promote your offers, whether that is CPA offers or affiliate marketing offers, you can also use this website right here, zeropark.com. Zeropark is also a great website that you can simply add in three different ways. Actually, you can promote your offer like push notification, domain direction, and pop-up ads. So there are different ads that you can simply use. And the greatness about this website is right here that they are getting an 1.1 billion monthly available clicks right here. So once you just add your company into this, then they can promote, and you can simply you can simply select the direction or location, and they will promote your offer in front of them right here. So this is also a great opportunity for you to promote your offers with zerofark.com, because it's a great website and it is similar to like Google ads and Facebook ads, but those are really expensive and we cannot promote CPA offers with them. So this is a great opportunity. Zerofark is a great opportunity for us to promote our offers right here with very cheap price right here. Even we can start with $5 and $10 on this website, and we can start making money from that. So if you really want to make money online, then this is the solution, and you can make a quick money very easily and without any problem right here using Zerofark or using the Snapchat. They both are the great option that we can simply use and start making money from that. If you want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to a page right there, and you will learn all the bonuses, tips, tricks, and strategies without any prior experience. You will learn each and everything, and you can start your consistent business from your home without any experience. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.